Hey everyone! Today we're going to dig into a problem that costs businesses so much time and money. We're talking about out-of-date financial management. We're going to explore how finally stepping away from those old manual methods can seriously unlock a whole new level of efficiency and growth for your company.
So let's just get right into it, let's be honest. Is your business still, running on spreadsheets? Because if it is, you are probably fighting a battle you don't even realize is happening. A fight that's holding your company back. Let's talk about what that struggle actually looks like.
That's right, we're giving it a name. The spreadsheet struggle. It's that feeling, that reliance on old-school manual methods that sure seems like it's working, but underneath the surface, it's creating all kinds of problems.
And this, right here, just shows the difference perfectly. The old way, it's a mess of manual data entry which always leads to mismatched numbers and just wasted hours. And if your teams are spread out, forget it. It's a nightmare. But the new way? It's a total game changer. We're talking automated updates, reports with a single click, and everyone can access it from one central spot. The difference is just massive.
Okay, so if we're done with spreadsheets, what's next? Well, that brings us to the hero of our story today, the FMS, the Financial Management System. So what in the world is an FMS? Think of it like the central command center for all of your company's money. It's software specifically built to handle everything, your assets, your income, your expenses, all in one single organized place. It's designed to replace that chaotic jumble of different spreadsheets and papers with one single source of truth.
And let me tell you, these systems are absolute powerhouses. They don't just hold your data. They're actively generating reports, they're scheduling reminders so you never forget to pay a bill, they link right to your bank accounts to pull in live data, and they even help you calculate complicated stuff like payroll and taxes. It really is an all-in-one financial command center.
So now that we know what an FMS is, let's get to the good stuff. Let's talk about the incredible advantages it brings to the table for pretty much any business, whether you're a tiny startup or a huge global company.
All right, the first major advantage is all about one thing: clarity. Modern systems can take a mountain of complicated financial data and do something amazing with it. They turn all those raw numbers into simple, easy-to-understand visuals.
And having that clarity, it changes everything. All of a sudden, your managers and executives can actually see the story the data's telling. You can spot trends as they're happening, you can see how different departments are performing, and you can make big decisions based on actual facts, not just guesswork.
Okay, next up is a big one. It's something that causes a lot of headaches. Regulatory compliance. I mean, trying to keep up with all the changing tax laws and reporting rules is a massive challenge for any accounting team.
Well, an FMS basically streamlines this whole process for you. It can give you a heads up about rule changes, automatically create the compliance reports you need, and even has tools to help you track expenses and find errors before they blow up into big problems. Plus, it keeps all that sensitive data super secure. It's like having a digital assistant who's an expert in accounting rules.
Now let's talk about speed. Just think about it for a second. Right now, how long does it take your team to pull together a really important financial report? A few hours? A couple of days? With an FMS, the answer isn't hours or days, it's seconds.
Seriously, with just one click, you have a live, up-to-the-minute balance sheet. You can see your profit and loss, your cash flow, all of it. And you can slice and dice those reports however you need to, by date, by department, by project. The info you need to make a smart decision is always, always right there. And when I say right there, I mean literally anywhere. In today's world of hybrid and remote work, nobody wants to be chained to a computer in the office. A modern cloud-based FMS means your team can securely get to that real-time financial data anytime, from anywhere they have an internet connection.
So you might be wondering, okay, how does all this work so perfectly? The secret sauce is something called integration. It's this powerful idea of bringing your entire financial world together in one place.
Here's the basic idea. Right now, your financial data is probably scattered all over the place. Different bank accounts, credit cards, payment systems, a big mess. Instead of having someone manually copy and paste all that info, a modern FMS uses secure digital connections to automatically pull it all together into that one central system.
And this isn't just about being convenient. It's a huge leap for data security and accuracy. When you get rid of all that manual data transfer, you basically wipe out the risk of human error. You stop those costly missed entries, and you make sure everyone is looking at the exact same correct numbers. It's a really big deal.
So when you start to put all these pieces together, the clarity, the speed, the security, It becomes pretty obvious that getting a system like this isn't just an upgrade. It's a strategic move. It's about future-proofing your business.
And this quote just nails the whole idea. Choosing the right system isn't about getting fancy new technology just because it's new. The real goal here is to find tools that will actively help your company grow and succeed for years to come.
Which, it leaves us with one last really important question to think about. I want you to look at how you do things now. The spreadsheets, the manual work, all those back and forth emails. And just ask yourself, is our financial system an asset that's helping us grow, or is it an anchor that's holding us back?